The iPhone 6 Plus was expensive, but there's no denying it was well received. Android fans will continue to berate Apple for its seemingly copycat innovation, but the plain fact is that the 6 Plus was a great handset, with all the power of the iPhone and a much longer battery life. It's no surprise then, that Apple returned in 2015 with the refreshed iPhone 6s Plus, and then followed its phablet lineup again in 2016 with the iPhone 7 Plus. While it may no longer be top dog in Apple's lineup, the Cupertino firm has confirmed it will bring the iOS 11 update to the handset, meaning it's still a more than viable option for those looking for a new phone. As you've probably guessed from the handle in its name, the 6s Plus is more of an incremental upgrade over the 6 Plus rather than a reimagining of Apple's smartphone range. It might be a stretch for current 6 Plus incumbents to justify upgrading to the new iPhone 6s Plus, but it's got a few fancy features you won't find on older iPhones. The iPhone 6s Plus is just as big, but a little better. Apple reinvigorated its phablet without rewriting the playbook thanks to its smart 3D Touch technology and a more power under the hood. Apple's second-generation phablet was always going to be an incremental upgrade, so it's no surprise that a number of comparisons can be drawn between the iPhone 6s Plus and its predecessor. Side by side they're practically impossible to tell apart, but it's what you can't see that makes the difference. A combination of excellent power and an exciting new technology in 3D Touch means the iPhone 6s Plus is set up for the future much better than the 6 Plus. But its merits are hanging on that potential. As it stands, it does very little over the 6 Plus and that makes it really difficult to recommend at this time. That's not to say that the 6s Plus isn't a brilliant phone, it offers the solid, stylish Apple experience and chucks in a higher screen and better battery life, which you can't complain about. For iPhone 6 Plus owners, there's no benefit making the leap to the 6s Plus. You'd be better off looking at the iPhone 7 Plus. Those with older, smaller iPhones looking for their big break however will not be disappointed by the 6s Plus, and with the recent price drop it's now slightly more affordable.